The deer management program was implemented in the county primarily to reduce the number of deer-related conflicts that can pose safety and health concerns for our residents, as well as to minimize the ecological damage that results from overabundant deer. We see thousands of deer and vehicle collisions annually within Fairfax County. We also have an increased potential for spread of disease such as Lyme disease that is carried by ticks on deer. Additionally, we see negative impacts to deer herd health itself, and we can see a loss of biodiversity of other wildlife that are related to an overabundance of deer. So we're really hoping to be able to reduce the deer population to more sustainable levels in the county in order to minimize these impacts. Within the county, the approved methods for deer reduction include use of archery, managed hunting, and sharpshooting. All of these are developed according to national best practices for deer management. They're approved by the state through the Virginia Department of Game and Inland Fisheries, and our plan is developed based on management programs in other jurisdictions, on deer census data, environmental impact studies on vegetation, as well as scientific literature. The archery program was approved by the Board of Supervisors in 2000 and was then implemented in 2010 and is under strict oversight with the Fairfax County Police Department. They monitor all program activities to ensure safety of our residents. Archer groups are allowed to hunt only specific assigned sites that are managed by the Fairfax County Park Authority and the Northern Virginia Regional Park Authority. Hunting is allowed Monday through Saturdays, occurring 30 minutes prior to sunrise, extending throughout the day until 30 minutes past sunset. The Fairfax County Police Department maintains strict oversight and manages all program activities associated with the archery program. We've mailed notification letters to all property owners that are adjacent to approved park locations. We've also conducted public information meetings to provide safety briefings for residents and to answer any concerns. All of the park locations are marked at the entrances with deer management signs, as well as all established trails have signage to show that deer management is in progress. We also require that all of our archers maintain identification cards as well as visible parking passes indicating that they're allowed to hunt a specific property and that they're associated with this program. The four-poster study is a pilot program that is being tested in Fairfax County through the Fairfax County Police Department and the Health Department's Disease Carrying Insects program. This is done in collaboration with the Fairfax County Park Authority and the Northern Virginia Regional Park Authority. The purpose of this study is to develop and test effective methods for tick infestation on white-tailed deer. Basically what this entails is that we establish a four-poster feeding station where deer approach to feed on baited corn. As they're doing so, they come into contact with rollers that are treated with pesticides, and this is rubbed onto the deer and naturally spread through grooming practices. We're hoping that this is going to be an effective method for tick control, and this is really our first critical step at determining that for the county.